Hey friends, today I just wanted to take some time to share with you all products that work. And I'm just going to share a few skincare products and then some of my favorite makeup products. But what I'm going to share with you today are things that I have used for years and they absolutely work. Okay, every night when I take my makeup off, there's one thing that I always use and love, and it's Clinique Take the Day Off. But it's very emollient and it's fabulous, and you don't need any other eye remover. This does everything, and it's wonderful, and it lasts a long time. I love this. And there is nothing magical about my cleanser. I just use Purpose just because I like it. And then occasionally I will exfoliate with Clinique 7-Day Scrub Cream, and I do use a Clarisonic, so this with a Clarisonic, I feel like I've gotten a good microderm. Now, this is a product I could not live without, and it's from Paula's Choice, and it's the Skin Recovery Enriched Calming Toner. I use a cotton ball or a pad, and I use this toner. This is almost like a milky, soft, liquid lotion, but it takes away every trace of makeup. It's fabulous. I highly recommend it, and it's the best toner I've ever used. Okay, so that's how I remove my makeup. Show you how I put it on and my favorite products. Okay, as you might be able to see, I have got very prominent under eye circles. So I have to have concealer, and I have to have good concealer. So I have two, and the first one I'm going to show you, and I use both at the same time most often. And this is the Balm Concealer, and I use light, but you can tell I've used this a lot on. Okay, and I'm going to show you, I'll put this on with a brush, and I am going to have to look into a mirror. And I already have sunscreen and moisturizer on, but I just gently pat, and I also put this on the lid to cover all the redness. And I do it on both, and I just sort of get on the whole area of the eye, so you can see what a difference it makes. Okay. And this is very thick, but it does blend well, and it does last most of the day. I do find that if I come home at about late afternoon and I'm going back out, I'll put another application because it does wear. So this is what I do with this. Now, another very good long-lasting concealer is the Tarte Creaseless Concealer. I will put just a dab of this underneath. I don't put this on the lids, just underneath. And then with my fingers, I just pat. So, love and recommend both of them, especially if you have dark circles. Okay, now I'm going to show you my foundation. I've used this forever. This is Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. So sometimes I'll balance it with a BB cream, and I like this Revlon Photo Ready. So I'm going to show y'all this. I just do a tad of the tinted moisturizer. It doesn't take that much. And then just a little bit of that, and you see the difference in how those look, but I'm just going to blend them together. And then I use my Beauty Blender. Love my Beauty Blender. But this is very light and natural. And it does have the luminosity from the Laura Mercier. So, we have that. That's all I do. It doesn't take long. I'm going to put on something I'm never without, and that is I use two NARS blushes. Both are the most popular NARS colors. This is the Orgasm, this is the Multiple. I always put the cream first, got a little in my hair, because I feel like when you use the cream and the powder, it's layering the two textures and it lasts longer. So put that there. And before I powder my face, I also put my absolute favorite eyelid eyeshadow primer, and it's Urban Decay. And this is the original, and it's absolutely wonderful. It will make your eyeshadow last all day. Which leads me to my absolute favorite powder. It's another Laura Mercier. It's their loose setting powder, and this is translucent. It's wonderful. It lasts forever. I love translucent because it doesn't have any color. It just adapts to your own skin color. Okay, so love and recommend the Laura Mercier powder. Okay, now I'm going to go to the eyes. Everything I need as far as eyeshadow is in the Naked palette, and this is Naked too. I also like the Naked, but basically I just use all over the lid. I use the lighter. I usually mix these two, but I just always put like a light base, and then I usually choose like a this is sort of a gold shimmery pink. It's very much like the blush, but I just put it on the lid. It's nothing that jumps out. It's just very neutral and very soft. I prefer not looking like I've got a lot of eyeshadow on. So usually if this is just going out for the day, this is all I'll do. If it's an evening look, I might put one of these in the crease, but just to go out for the day, I usually just put something on the lid, but I'll just show you. I might go with a gray in the crease for an evening or a little more formal look. Okay, so we've got that. This palette has so many colors. And then I always finish with just a little bit of liner. This is an Urban Decay, and I'm not quite sure what color it is, but it's just sort of a smoky gray, and I just line and then smudge. Okay, all right, so I try to smudge that so it doesn't look like I've got on eyeliner. So before I put on my mascara, I do want to tell you about something that I have been using for about 2 months, and it absolutely works, and I'm very excited about it. My friend Barb told me about Lash Boost. It's Rodan & Fields. This is all I use of Rodan & Fields, and it's the only thing I've ever tried of Rodan & Fields. Since I was using Latisse prior to this, and I honestly think that this has made my lashes get even longer than they were when they were on Latisse. So this is not necessarily any less expensive than Latisse, but if you have a friend that sells Rodan & Fields, I highly recommend trying this because I'm loving it. Okay, but back to my lashes. But this is my hands down favorite, and it's MAC, and it's Haute or Hot and Naughty 2 Black Lash. And it has 2 applicators. The top applicator has a smaller amount, and this is what I put on my lower lashes. Okay, it's just perfect for the lower lashes. And for the top lashes, I unscrew the bottom, and there's a lot more on the applicator. Okay, let me put the other to the other side. And I like this product as well. It's a Benefit Highbrow Glow, and it is just like a very light shimmer that I will put right here. And I usually do this more for an evening look because it is a little bit prominent. But I'm now going to put on the NARS the powder. Whoops. Okay, so I just use, and this is a very old brush, but I just put a little of the powder on top of the cream, and that gives me a little more color. And then there's one more thing that I do want to recommend, and this is more of an evening look, but this is the IT Cosmetics. It's a highlighter, and this is the Hello Light Cream Luminizer, and it just gives you some luminosity. And especially going out at night or in the evening, I will put just a little and rub it in, just a little shimmer there, and then sometimes just a little bit under the eye. and it just gives a glow, just nothing glittery, but just a shimmer. So this is basically what my makeup routine. I know the Sephora event is coming up, so all of these products for Beauty Insiders, or at least the ones at Sephora, will be 15 to 20% off, and that's usually when I try to buy my the higher end brands during the sale, and they last for a long time. But I hope this helps some of you who have been looking for products that that work, and these are what work for me.